Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome to you. Don't forget that we have a very good review on this channel, okay? If you're learning how to make skincare product from scratch, this is where the right place for you to come. Alright, in this week we're about starting our making of DIY of oils, how to make oils from the scratch, yes. So, and for those of you, and this oil is a little bit whitening. It's not going to be much whitening, so at least 2 to 3 shade, okay? We're not going to make it more stronger. So this week we've started the series already. So this is the first class, as I promise you all, how to make your 2 shade oil. So if you're finding it difficult, you just don't need to find it difficult anymore. So this is what you do. And this is our bowl, what we'll be using, and this is our spoon. Now all of these our oil, all right? I've already put the measurement. This is about 2 spoons. This is 1 spoon, 1 spoon. This is 3 spoons. This is 2 spoons. This is 3 spoons, and we'll take the measurement of every order. So as we are making it, we'll be calling the names gradually. All right. So no rush, no rush. Say no rush, no rush. All right. Quick one. Let's begin. First of all, we'll be using. We'll start with. You can use any oil of your own choice, no doubt, but we're starting with our jojoba oil. Jojoba oil. So the jojoba oil, you cannot take just 1 spoon. All right. So this is our jojoba oil. You can take 1 spoon. I just want to make a small quantity of it so that for those of you who don't know how to make it, you can see it and you'll be using it all the time because it's beautiful. So you see, this is 1 spoon. All right. Now, after that, don't forget that all of this oil have their own purpose. All right. This jojoba oil is glowing oil. Don't forget that. Don't let anybody deceive you. Are you getting it? Jojoba oil is a glowing oil. Any of your production you're using, you can put all of this. They are all essential oil that you can use, and it will come out very, very perfect. Are you getting it? Yes, no side effects on jojoba oil. So now we'll be needing our almond oil. So this one is almond oil, and it's about 3 spoons. Like as I said, this one is 3 spoons already. That is been here, 3 spoons. This is our almond oil already. Okay, so you put this, it's 3 spoons already. Right, 3 spoons. Okay, after that you stir. Okay, now let's come with our vitamin E. This one is 1 spoon. Our vitamin E is 1 spoon. All right. Okay, that is 1 spoon for you. Okay, 1 spoon for you. Our vitamin E, just 1 spoon, like as I said. Then you stir. The reason why we're putting vitamin E is so that it will always, moisturize, and vitamin E is good for pregnant women. Are you getting it? If you don't know, vitamin E is good for pregnant women. So for those of us who are pregnant, either 2 ways, or you can use it. Maybe you can take vitamin E. Let vitamin E be in everything you do. Are you getting it? Maybe in tablets, or in your lotion, or in oil. You can rub it. You know, vitamin E is very good. Are you getting it? Now this is our Shakara oil, and I told you about Shakara oil a lot of time, and our Shakara oil will be using 3 spoons already, so which we've already mentioned here. So this is our Shakara oil. Alright, 3 spoons. Then you stir. This oil is a very smart oil that is you can use alone. You can use alone. You don't need to say, oh, what will I be using? What will I be using? I need oil that I can use. Look at it, oil that I can use alone. So that's what we make right now. Are you getting it? So in a quick one, after we've put our Shakara oil, we will now add our light oil, which is vitamin C oil. Our vitamin C oil, which is very necessary. Our vitamin C oil is very necessary, so we put vitamin C oil, you know. Okay, please take note of all this oil we'll be putting. This combination, this combo we're making right now is very special and essential. Don't tell me, oh, I didn't grab it. This is oil that you can be using. This is oil that you can be using alone. That's what we are making now. Are you getting it? Not that, oh, I didn't grab it. What were you talking about? Oh, my mind was somewhere. Please don't let your mind be at anywhere. Let your mind be here. Alright? So, in a quick one, all of the oil you'll be adding, they have their purpose, like as I said. So you don't just go there and put oil, and this oil, you just put all moisturizing oil and you forget to put the right oil. Every other oil, they have their purpose. The Shakara oil we put, it's just a very, more or less of a kind of, what is it called? Lemon oil. Are you getting it? It's not lemon oil fully, but part of lemon oil is being used also in Shakara oil. So now we are not putting our tea tree oil. Tea tree, we have different type of tea tree oil. Are you getting it? You've not seen this one before. This one is just really oil form. It's not like those strong one that the aroma can be sometime serious, you know, or too heavy, you know. So this one is tea tree oil. Fine. Okay, then you stir. If you have a warmer, if you have that warming pot, you can also, because there are different ways you can make all this. If you have that warming pot also, you can also use that pot while making it inside, because we just have to incubate it for some hours. All right. So now we'll be putting our vitamin B3 oil. Okay. See, so make sure you put all of the oil completely. So that, because I did told you that it's what you'll be using in your body. You know, you can use it for your body like all the time. So now we'll now put 1 spoon. We'll now put 1 spoon of our stretch mark oil. You know, 1 spoon of our stretch mark oil. Look at it, 1 spoon of our stretch mark oil. Okay, see now. So you stir. You stir. 1 spoon of our stretch mark oil. Alright. We'll still stir more. So you can ask you guys, after all we've said, because we want to make it 1 shade and 2 shade, we just have to put some little bit smart oil, which is, this one is Malawi oil, which you all know about Malawi oil. I've told you about Malawi oil time without number. So this is it. You know, this Malawi oil is a very, very nice oil that if you want to get white, in 1 week. I've told you about it. This is the right oil you want to use. Malawi oil always remain Malawi oil. There's no changing it. There's no changing it. 1 spoon also. So don't forget, Malawi oil is one of the oil. If you want to get white, you will always get white in 1 week. So this is our Blema oil. Don't mind them. We want to put so 1 spoon of our Blema oil. We want to put wrongly there on this. So somebody might just go think it's collagen oil, but it's not. So now we'll be putting our glycerin, whitening glycerin, also 1 spoon. Don't forget, we said we just make it something a little bit that you can use for yourself. Okay, 1 spoon. And also, for all that we've done here, so we would want this oil to have a very good aroma. You understand? There's no need, these are oils, there's no need of you putting preservative or say, oh, put German plus. No, there's no need at all. Are you getting it? So what you do, we're putting our fragrance so that it will get a very good, nice, lovely aroma. We're putting 1 spoon. All right, so this is our oil, you know. This oil now, we have to leave this oil. We put it. You can do it. That's why I say you can use your warm pot. Are you getting it? You can use your warm pot to let everything fuse together, fuse properly together. So you have to heat it for about 30 minutes or 1 hour thereabout. Are you getting it? So you have to let all of them fuse together. Some people, you might leave it like 1 week if you want it. Are you getting it? By tomorrow I will be teaching you oils that we can put powders also. So we have to leave this oil. I will go and put it inside my warming pot now, which I won't show all those parts of it. So in the next 30 minutes thereabout, I will come back and complete the video. It's almost done anyway, so I will be right back. All right, this is, you can see, this is just the way it is. This is just 1 hour. I over left it to more than 30 minutes, so this is 1 hour on a dot. You can see, so this is our, 2 shade to 3 shade whitening oil, So if maybe you don't want to make it white, you just want it to be glow, so you can just take off the whitening glycerin and also the Blema oil and the Malawi oil. All right. So I use every other one so it can be glowing and moisturizing. Are you getting it? In here, it also moisturizes your body because we use some glowing and moisturizing oil. So other than that, we've come to end of the class. We say very big thank you to you all. Don't forget to purchase whatever you want to purchase. Original oils, we have them all. We have them in all of our shop. We have one of the biggest shop in Lagos here also. Are you getting it? So like as I always tell you, we ship everywhere. Canada, US, UK, Europe, Asia country, all of the Africa country, we ship everywhere. So a very big thank you for you watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos. Okay, for those of you who think should I buy or be contemplating, should I buy or not, is the guy genuine? Of course we are genuine. All right, we are very, very genuine. We are open for business. All right, and we also do other business also. Well, anything you want us to ship to you off the country to your country, we can always do that too. So thank you. Bye bye.